Here's my homemade digipeater. It's basically ICOM 2300 running at mid power, which should be 10 watts, and an antenna with 3 dB gain, so effective radio power with no loss in the coax. If theoretically should be 30 watts of effective radio power. But the digipeater is a WX3in1 by Microsat. Awesome device. Look how well built this is. But there's one problem with this. Comes with a cab 24B cable, which goes from the 6-pin DIN to another 6-pin DIN. I don't know anything that uses that cable and why the guy gives you that. What they do not give you is the power cable. So you get it with a cable that probably won't work for your application. Really go to Microsat.com, buy the cable. But you have to order this power cable. This I can't remember the specs. I think it's 5.5 by 2.1 barrel. It's tip positive, so anyways, yeah, you're going to buy a digipeater, expect to power it up, and there's no power cable. So anyways, let me show you what I did for a solution. You know, I can't believe they don't give you a power cable in the box. I don't know what's up with that. That makes no sense whatsoever to me. Here's the cable I got off Amazon. It's supposed to be the right barrel connector plug. I need to get out a voltmeter. Check and make sure it's set up for positive, tip positive. If not, when I hook it up to the power supply, I got to reverse the wire, so need a voltmeter for that. So let me get that and I'll be right back. Now if you can hear that beeping, there we go. It's already wired for tip positive. Awesome. Supposed to be 7 inches long. I think it's somewhere close there. I'm 5'11" with a 52-inch chest. Stuck my arms out holding each end, and I could have went back a couple more inches, but there wasn't enough wire, so it's close to 6 feet, I think. Close enough, good enough. I think what I'm going to do, if those are not tin, they are tin, so okay. I was going to say I might tin them for my power supply, but looks like they've already done that for me, so no need to do that. Let me go get this hooked up to the power supply, run up to the digipeater, and we're golden. Got it hooked up to the power supply, into the unit. The only LED that shows that it's on is red instead of green. Red in America, usually a failure, but I guess in Poland, where these are made and designed, means power. So anyways, don't have any lights, just a few minutes. Oh, there we go. Gated something to the internet, but something was coming across in a burst, and set it up, and there you go. There's my little APRS digipeater with iGate. It's Whiskey 1 Victor Tango -1. We're in the Rutland, Vermont area. It'll probably pass your digital traffic.